In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove year from date in Google Sheets and Excel. If you have a spreadsheet with dates and you only want to display the month and day, this is a quick and very useful formatting trick. The nice thing is that you are not deleting the year from the actual data. You are simply changing how the date appears in the cell, which means the original date value stays intact and can still be used for sorting, formulas, and calculations. To begin, open the workbook that contains the date you want to edit. Once your file is open, click on the cell that contains the date. Make sure the correct cell is selected before moving on, because the formatting change will apply to whatever cell is highlighted. Next, apply a custom date format. A fast way to open the formatting options is to press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard. This opens the Format Cells dialog box. From there, go to the Number tab. In the Category drop-down, choose Custom. This is where you can tell Excel or Google Sheets exactly how you want the date to appear. In the type box, enter M, then a /, then D. So the format should read M/D. This displays the date as a numeric month and day without showing the year. After entering that format, click the check icon in the type field to apply it. Now take a look at the result. The selected date should display only the month and day, while the original full date value remains stored in the sheet. That is important because it means you are only changing the appearance, not the underlying information. If you want a slightly different look, there are a few other custom formats you can use without including the year. For example, you can type mm/dd if you want both the month and day to always appear with 2 digits. You can also type d/m if you prefer the day to appear first, followed by the month. And if you want both values to use 2 digits in that order, type dd/mm. These small formatting options give you more control over how your spreadsheet looks, especially if you are preparing a calendar, event tracker, birthday list, or any document where the year is not necessary to show. And that's it. Once the custom format is applied, your dates will appear without the year, while still keeping the original date value behind the scenes.